Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the two devices you'll use. Desktop shows the Discord login with a QR image, and your phone has the Discord app open. Once done, make sure camera permission is granted on the phone. Without it, you cannot scan. You do this because scanning links the session quickly and securely, avoiding typing passwords. Now, tap the small QR scanner icon inside the mobile app and point your camera at the desktop QR code. Align it until your phone recognizes it. After aligning the camera, the scanner decodes the QR. Wait for a visual cue and a brief vibration or sound. If Discord asks, approve the login on your phone, this is the authorization step that binds the desktop session to your account. If your account uses two-factor authentication, you may need to enter a 2FA code after approval, so keep that app or device handy. Once approved, you'll see the desktop switch to your servers. If nothing happens, refresh the QR and try scanning again. Complete the process by checking desktop Discord is fully loaded and responding. Rename or remember the device if you want faster logins later. You should also audit registered devices in settings to remove any you do not recognize. If the QR scan fails, try this key tip. Restart the mobile app, clear the desktop browser cache or app cache, then regenerate the QR code and scan again. These steps fix most issues caused by expired codes, cached sessions, or temporary camera glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.